Hello guys, this is ThaxT2K and this is my latest Amiibo unboxing. Excuse me. I've eventually got a silver edition Mario. Obviously this is, a US only. Fucking bastards. The thing is that gets, big company like Nintendo. This could have been, done at selected outlets all over the world. But for some reason, they'll go, oh, we'll just do it in America. And screw the rest, just screw the rest of the continent, really. So, then obviously people buy them, then sell them for about 8 times the bloody value. It's like, yes, they're going to be rare, and you do a certain amount of quantity, but make them worldwide. Like I says with Walmart. They do, they actually own Asda over here in the UK. Because they shipped a few units over here. Or anywhere else that's got an Asda or Walmart in the world, so. Either way, that ramble out the way. There's a gold one and there's a silver one. So, this was like, a bonus for the Mario Party 10 one. So, obviously you got Mario, representing a coin. And I think, it'll be silver on the outside, but once you put him in game, he'll be gold. Well, just normal Mario. So, right, let's just open this up and see what I think. There we go. There's these. This is the silver version of Mazet. Well, obviously, as you expect, the Mario version of the Mario Party series, but painted silver, nice and shiny. I thought that they could have just gone for the M there, or they could have easily just say called him Silver Mario. They could have called him Metal Mario, due to silver looks like metal. So, but either way, looks quite nice. And he's now going to be imprisoned. In that. Obviously, where these cases will come in handy. If you just want to display a few, more your rare ones. So, rightio, this is ThaxT2K. I'll see you next time.